Welcome. In this video, we are sharing 5 easy tips to improve your coloring today. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Outline, then color. This helps you stay within the lines and focus on that one particular area. And let's face it, if you still go outside the lines, it's all good. Personally, I do it myself. Just keep going. It won't break the piece. Also, you can grab some whiteout and voila! If you're new or returning to the channel, we are Detox Art, a creative wellness platform sharing videos to help enhance self-expression and relieve stress. Tip 2. Use markers first. This is going to allow you to cover more of the area more evenly and faster. Also, there will be less streaks and white space remaining, like when you're using crayons. Most coloring books may not allow you to use markers, or they're printed double-sided. Therefore, you miss out on the other illustration. This particular book, the Detox Art Coloring Book, offers multi-medium creativity. I'll drop the link below. Tip 3. Light to dark colors. Save your time and your energy by working lighter and building up to darker colors. This will help best determine exactly where you want to place the darker hues. Remember, you can always build up, but you can't take away. Tip 4. Use colored pencils. This medium will lift the artwork off the page because it's giving the flat image a range of shadows and highlights. Use a variation of shading styles to do this. If you're interested in knowing more about different shading styles and techniques, drop a comment below. By doing this, it's allowing the grass and the plants to come to life, and I'm really loving this forest we're building. Going in and adding some details in the face, shadows around the neck where the trees are covering it, highlighting the skin. Especially brown people, we have multi colors within our face, and that's okay. We're gonna make sure we bring them all out, lips and all. And once you are 100% done with your colored pencils, here goes the last tip. Tip 5 is add white. This is going to quickly and easily elevate your art to the next level. Using white is a decorative way to highlight the specific areas to show the direction of light. Thanks for watching. Hope you love these 5 easy tips. Drop a comment of your favorite within the comments below. Be sure to like this video and share it with those who would appreciate it. Subscribe for more. Peace.